Welcome back. Let us solve the Beam Statics MCQ paper together. 15 multiple choice questions and 2 numericals. Pause on each one, check your answer and then listen for the reason. Let us begin. Question 1. A beam carries transverse loads across a span, so its primary job is to resist bending. Ties and struts take axial load and shafts take torsion. The answer is B, bending. Question 2. A coplanar beam needs all three equations: the sum of horizontal forces 0, the sum of vertical forces 0, and the sum of moments 0. The answer is C. Question 3. Cut a beam and three internal actions may appear: axial force, shear force, and bending moment. The answer is B. Question 4. A point load is a force, so it is measured in kilonewtons. Kilonewton per meter is an intensity and kilonewton meter is a moment. The answer is B. Question 5. One concentrated force is drawn as one single straight arrow. A curved arrow would mean a moment and many arrows would mean a distributed load. The answer is B. Question 6. A uniformly distributed load is a load per unit lengths, so its intensity is in kilonewtons per meter. The answer is C. Question 7. The load diagram of a UDL is a rectangle. Its area is W times L, so the equivalent load is P equals WL. The answer is B. Question 8. A uniform load is symmetric about its middle, so its resultant acts at the centroid of the rectangle, the midpoint of the loaded length. The answer is B. Question 9. A load whose intensity changes linearly is a uniformly varying load drawn as a triangle or a trapezoid. The answer is C. Question 10. The load diagram of a triangular UVL is a triangle. Its area is half of base times height, that is half WL. The answer is B. Question 11. The centroid of a triangle lies 1/3 of the base from its tall end. So the resultant acts at L by 3 from the heavy end, which is 2L by 3 from the zero end. The answer is B. Question 12. Water pressure grows linearly with depth, making a perfect triangular load. A brick wall is a UDL and a person is a point load. The answer is B. Hydrostatic water pressure on a dam wall. Question 13. A moment is force times distance. So a couple is measured in kilonewton meters. The answer is C. Question 14. The two forces of a couple are equal and opposite, so they cancel. The resultant force is 0, but the resultant moment is not. The answer is C, 0. Question 15. The magnitude of a couple is m equals F times d, where d is the perpendicular distance between the two forces. The answer is C. Numerical 16. A 6-meter beam carries a UDL of 5 kilonewtons per meter. The equivalent load is W times L, 5 times 6, which is 30 kilonewtons, acting at midspan 3 meters from A. And because the load is symmetric, each reaction is half of 30. So RA and RB are both 15 kilonewtons. Numerical 17. A 6-meter beam carries a triangular load, 0 at A rising to 12 kilonewtons per meter at B. The equivalent load is half WL, that is half of 12 times 6, which is 36 kilonewtons. It acts at L by 3 from the heavy end B, that is 2 meters from B or 4 meters from the zero end A. And that is the full MCQ paper. Score yourself. 22 and above is excellent. 17 to 21 is good. Below 17, revise once more. Next, we will solve the numerical papers. For more MCQ practice, join our Telegram channel, subscribe and hit the bell. Keep it simple, keep it civil.